Hey everyone, Miranda here from Contixo. Today I'll be unboxing one of our new series of kids tablets. The new Contixo K102. Our K102 Kids Tablet is loaded with many more features than our previous K102 model. Our new K102 10-inch HD LCD touchscreen, Android 11 Go, and over 20 teacher-approved learning apps pre-installed. The level of advanced parental controls of our K102 Kids Tablet offers state-of-the-art controls through Google Family Link. Also featured on our Contixo K102, Kids Place will help you child-proof your device and prevent children from downloading new apps, texting, or performing unsafe actions. Also comes with a protective case with kickstand for hard bumps and falls, stylish touch pen included as well. Hours and loads of fun to keep our little ones busy with learning. Our new K102 Kids Tablet features with learning apps, books, and videos to help discover, create, and grow young minds. This tablet is perfect for early childhood development. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. If you did, give it a like. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll do our best to help. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips from your friends here at Contixo.